Hi guys, it's Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. So today I am going to show you how to make this really super easy Jamaican jerk marinade, also known as a jerk paste. So let's sit back, kick back and relax while I show you how to make your own jerk paste from scratch using some ingredients that you're already familiar with, and I promise you are going to love how I prepare this. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. I have some pimento berries, also known as allspice, and this is the main ingredient, guys, that you need in this recipe. You cannot substitute this. You definitely need some pimento berries to make this recipe. I have some Scotch bonnet. I'm using 2 Scotch bonnet that have the seeds, and then I'm using some other Scotch bonnet as well that just has the skin, because I don't want too much heat in my jerk paste. I have some thyme, some ginger, some liquid, some coconut aminos, and coconut aminos is just an alternative to soy sauce. And I also mix a little bit of browning in mine as well, because I really like that rich, typical, traditional dark color of the marinade. So I do mix a little bit of browning in there as well, so you can do that. Also using coconut aminos, that's also a gluten-free alternative as well. So if you are gluten intolerant or you struggle to get soy sauce that doesn't contain wheat, then you definitely want to use the coconut aminos. Then I have raw cane sugar, some pink salt, some nutmeg, cinnamon, black pepper, a lot of scallion. I like to add a lot in mine, some garlic cloves, some olive oil, and I also have some lime juice. Because I'm preparing it for my family, they don't really like too much vinegar, so you will notice that I don't have any vinegar in mine, but it will still be preserved with the lime juice. So if you're someone who doesn't like too much vinegar, or you don't like vinegar at all, then this recipe is definitely for you. You can also add some vinegar in yours if you want to, but as I said, I'm preparing it for my family and they don't really want too much of the vinegar taste in it, so that's why I'm doing that. This is my method of doing it. Everyone makes theirs differently, so please respect that, because I know sometimes people become too critical and personal the way you make it. So you can make it any way that you want to. I'm just showing you how I make it. So now I'm going to begin to add all of the ingredients to my blender. I like to use my blender rather than my food processor because I like a really smooth consistency, and I also like the texture to be not too thick but not too thin. So I like to do that, and I also add my liquid ingredients first, and I add them at the base of my blender, and that's just to ensure that the liquid is at the bottom, so when it's puring that it will be a smooth consistency. Even though I'm using my Vitamix, I still like to add my liquids, but you can do it a different way if you want to. I'm just showing you how I do it. There's no wrong or right, it's just about what I prefer to do. So I just want to highlight that for anybody who may wonder why I'm doing that. I just like to add the liquid first and then the solid ingredients last. And as I said as well, guys, you can add as much or as little Scotch bonnet as you want to. Some people only want 1, some people want 6. So go ahead and do you when it comes to the Scotch bonnet. Don't be feeling like you need to add too little or too much. Add what you want to, because you're the one who's going to be using it at the end of the day. So now I'm going to puree. Now everything's ready. So this is what my marinade looks like. It's nice and smooth, ready to be used in any meat or vegan recipes. So this is my Jamaican jerk marinade, also known as a jerk paste. Thank you so much for watching this video. The link will be in the description box to how I make the recipe and the ingredients that you need. Thank you for watching once again. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.